All right, we're going to start with part B of chapter 10, talking about product placement. Now, advertisers believe product placement leads to increased awareness and positive attitudes toward the brand. I like to research and understand what Nielsen says about this. Nielsen talks about that brands and emotionally engaging programs are recognized by 43% more viewers. Another point, brand recognition increased 29% in highly enjoyed programs. So people who enjoy certain programs tend to recognize brands more positively. Positive brand feeling, of course, increased 85% for brands and popular programs. So the programs matter when you place your programs and your advertising in those shows. Harley Davidson hired Davy Brown Entertainment to try to keep their businesses out there in the world. So they were trying to have product that was placed in movies, television, music, and videos. And it worked for them. And so we continue to understand that putting your product in various marketing avenues is a positive step for advertisers. Branded entertainment continues to be woven basically throughout our lifestyle. Branded entertainment is basically an opportunity to integrate entertainment and advertisement together into either a movie or a show, or even possibly around music. And so branded entertainment continues to be a place where you want to have your product and your business being seen by others. And so, for example, the 11th Hour, which is a TV show that was integrated into the storyline about trying to quit smoking. The movie Up in the Air, starring George Clooney, prominently displayed American Airlines and Hilton hotels. And so those are just opportunities around branding that companies have been using.